Hello guys, welcome to our training session. In this video, I will be discussing very clearly about what is the difference between is versus double equal to operator. In this video, we are going to have the discussion about what is the difference between is versus double equal to. It is one of the frequent asking technical important interview question. So my dear ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to cover you the operator is. So in fact, operator is the identity operator. Identity operator. What exactly the use of this identity operator? The identity operators are used to compare the IDs of two objects. Identity operators are always used to compare the IDs of what different two objects. Operator is always used to compare the IDs of two objects. If IDs of two objects are same, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. I repeat, operator is returns true if IDs of both objects are same, otherwise it will return what here and false. Let me check this. For time being, just here I am creating one list like this. I am creating one list L1 equal to 10, 20, 30. The same way, I am creating one more list with the 10, 20, 30 like 10, 20, 30. After creating what? After creating the two list, I would like to compare the IDs of two objects. I would like to compare the IDs of what are friend two objects. How do I get the ID of object? ID of L1. ID is the function. It will return the ID of the object. So this is a numerical ID of this L1 object. The same way ID of L2. It will display the numerical ID of L2 objects. Now I would like to check the IDs of L1 and L2 are same or not. I just want to check IDs of L1 and L2 are both are same or not. For that we need to use the identity operator. We need to use the identity operator is. Let's have a look, gentlemen. So L1 is L2. The operator is compare the IDs of L1 and L2. If ID of L1 and L2 both are same, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. But as we know that L1 ID and L2 ID both are not same, thus you will be getting false. That is identity operator is. The next operator is what? Double equal to, where double equal to is a relational operator. It is a relational operator. The main idea of this relational operator is to compare the content of two objects. The double equal to is a relational operator. The main idea of the relational operator double equal to compare the content of two objects. In this particular case, now let me check L1. The content of L1 is what? 10, 20, 30. I want to compare the content of L2. Both are same or not. L1 double equal to L2. If you notice, in this particular case, the system will take the content of L1 and content of L2. It will compare the content of two objects. In this particular case, L1 content is 10, 20, 30. L2 content is 10, 20, 30. The content of both objects are same, thus it will return what? True. I hope you understood right. Operator is the identity operator used to compare IDs of two objects. Double equal to is a relational operator used to compare the content of two objects. That's all, my dear friend. I hope you understood the point very clearly. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.